Today I am going to make easy and healthy egg roll. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. You will need eggs, finely chopped green chili, finely chopped green onion, garlic paste, shredded carrots, black pepper, salt to taste. Crack the eggs into the bowl. Now stir the eggs. Add about 1 tablespoon of milk. One tablespoon of finely chopped green onion. 1 teaspoon garlic paste. 1 tablespoon of shredded carrots. 1 teaspoon of green chili, salt to taste, one-fourth teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well. Grease the pan with cooking spray. Then pour the mixture into the pan. Cover the pan for 2 minutes. Start to roll the egg mixture on low flame. Take out the egg roll and cut them into pieces. If you like my egg roll recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.